Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Teams installation has failed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. This error usually happens if old Teams files are still on your computer. First, press Windows plus I to open Settings. Go to Apps, Apps and Features, and uninstall every version of Microsoft Teams you find. Also, uninstall Teams machine-wide installer if it's listed. Next, we need to delete leftover folders. Press Windows plus R, type %AppData%, and hit Enter. Delete the Microsoft/Teams folder. Then, open Run again, type %local AppData%, and delete the Microsoft/Teams folder there too. This clears out corrupted cache and setup files. If the error still appears, open Registry Editor by pressing Windows plus R, typing regedit, and pressing Enter. Navigate to H-key Current User, Software, Microsoft, Office, Teams. Delete the Teams folder. Be careful here, only remove the Teams entries. Finally, download the latest Teams installer from the official Microsoft website. Run the setup file, and it should now install successfully without the error. And that's it. You've fixed the Microsoft Teams installation, has failed error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.